essence, neither part nor whole, a drop that mirrors ocean's tide, a self that cannot be denied. No boundary shape this shining art, no name can hold the sacred heart. It moves with nature's gentle grace and shifts like wind across the space. Expression flows without a plan. No need to prove, no need to stand. For here awareness lights the way, and every step becomes ballet. Individual yet intertwined, with essence shared through humankind. A paradox that shines so bright, it fills the dark with living light. No path is left for those behind, no rules to teach, no map to find. But in that freedom, seeds are sown, inviting others to be known. Divinity in mortal skin, a quiet joy that comes from within, a radiance beyond compare that shows the sacred everywhere. Connected through the ring of flow, where unity and water grow, an endless knot of love untold, where life's true purpose can unfold. This state dissolves the need to be defined by form or history. It frees the heart, it frees the mind, and leaves all separation blind. Exquisiteness becomes the guide, where time and ego are untied, and in that boundless open space we glimpse our everlasting face. A jewel born from cosmic art, a spark that glows in every heart, a truth that waits for us to see, the beauty